Good day people. So today is about wrapping the exhaust. I think I brought a 10 metre roll, black. So I've hung it up just to make it a little bit easier. I think never done it before, so all I'm going to do is wrap it around first to see how much I need, then cut it, wet it, then wrap it on properly. So I'll get this done and I'll be back. There we go. I've wrapped it round, cut it where I think as much as I need. Size moment, it is in a bucket of water, soaking. I have watched a couple of videos, but can't remember how long you leave it in for. So I'm going to leave it in a couple of minutes when I want to have a smoke. Then I'll take it out and start wrapping. Let's hope it all works out good. See you then. There's the first go of wrapping. The cable tie, I did one lap round, cable tied it on, then did another wrap round to cover it at the end. But trying to get that tight is a bloody nightmare. I didn't record this one because hey, kids might be watching. There's quite a few F words and C words in there. But there we go. That's the first one done. I think I'll put this on the bike and start the other one. There's one. It's not on tight, but it's just done. So I think it looks a hell of a lot better. So let's get the next one done. I think this is going to be more of a pain as it's longer. I just hope I've got enough wrap to do it. So before I wet it, I think I'll give it a test wrap to make sure I've got enough. If so, I'll get it soaked and get it wrapped. So like I said, all I've done is wrap it round dry, wrap it round loose, all the way up, gave it a couple of more wraps. So all I do now is slice this. So it is a 10 metre roll. Because out of a 10 metre, I say I got about 2 metre left. So not bad. Probably have enough cut off this as well. But I'd rather have more than less, especially when I get to the end. What else do I need to tell you? The ends. When I start off, I fold the end over like that. Then I start wrapping. I do one wrap, put the tie around it, tighten the tie up, do another wrap around it to cover the tie wrap, especially near the tip. Then just keep it tight while you're wrapping. Bit of a pain. On that other one, I got near the end, I started cramping my hands, so that was a bit of a moment, effing and blinding. But so, what I'm going to do, I'm going to unwrap this, get it in the bucket, have a smoke, get it off, get it wrapped. Back. Pipes fitted, just steaming away the water off the exhaust. As you can tell, it is loud. if somebody says they don't see me coming, then you know they're going to hear me coming. So there we go. What people think. So there we go. That's the exhaust wrapped and stuck back on. So let us know in the comments what you think. It is loud. I might stick some baffles in yet, all depends on if I get complaints off the neighbours. There's still a few bits to do, but we'll get round to them. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next vid.